Hello viewers, how are you guys? And today video we are going to learn how you can link with GoHighLevel with Zapier, and you can receive data and send data to Zapier, and you can link with any third-party tool like Slack or ClickUp or any third-party tool. So let's dive into video and discuss about it, how we can link it. So it's a super easy task. You need to just make a basic workflow for it, from sending data to Zapier, and you need to make another workflow in a Zapier to receive data, and it's same vice versa. So let's create a workflow here. I can start from the scratch. I'm not using any recipe, and here we go. And let's put the name. Can say that link with Zapier is workflow name, and here we can select the trigger, and what's the trigger we can select. We can say that when someone book appointment and we send notification to the Slack or any third-party tools, or we will create a task in a ClickUp. So right now here we can select triggers, appointment, confirm. We can say that appointment, and here we can say that add filter, and status, we can check status, appointment status is, we can say confirm, and calendar is, we can say this test calendar. We have two calendars series. I can select this test calendar and save this trigger, and here we can create an action, and action will be the webhook. There is a two webhook, one is a custom webhook and one is a webhook. So a custom webhook is a paid, so I'm going with a webhook. And the method we are using post, because we are sending data to the Zapier right now. And so here we will select the post, and that's it from the GoHighLevel. Let's go to the Zapier. Let's go to here and create new Zap, and simply we have similar interface like GoHighLevel have for workflow. We can select triggers and we can select actions, so we can select trigger here. So I can say that webhook by Zapier, it's a paid, by the way, so I can use this for testing purpose. And we can choose events. Right now we are receiving data, so we can say that cache data here, and we will say continue. We will link with our Zapier to the our lead connector to the Zapier. We can say continue, and here we have the webhook link. We can just copy here and go back here and just paste here, and that's it. So we can save action here and go back into the Zapier, and we can say that the trigger is set, and right now we can add the action here. What's action add? For example, we can say that when someone book appointment, we need to send message in a Slack channel, so we will add Slack here. And first of all we need to choose, and we will say delete message action in a Slack, what we want in a Slack. We need to select message here. We can say that we can send message to send message to channel. We can say that I need to link with the Slack. I already account on a Slack, and I have created these workspace lead flags, and we can say that allow. And yeah, right now our Slack workspace is linked, and we can say continue, and here we can select the channel, and we have 3 channels on our Slack right now. You can check it. We see 1 is 3 all Slack social, and we also have test Zapier Slack. So we will here select test Zapier Slack, and what message you want to type here. For example, we can say that from catch hook, we can, right now it's not working because it's a paid. I'm using free versions, and when you select catch hook, you can select user. So here we can say that we will receive data in a text, for example, appointment book. But right now we don't have link with Kachuk because it's a paid uh, action. So right now I'm using free Zapier version, so that's why it's not linked and it's also not published yet because it's a paid. And I just show you the message for testing purpose. You can see the test message here. When someone book appointment on a GoHighLevel calendar, test calendar, it will be automatically send message to the test Zapier with this channel, in these channels. It will send the data in this channel. So right now this is just sending data GoHighLevel to Zapier and Zapier to Slack. And right now I just show you how you can receive data in a GoHighLevel. It's super easy. Go to webhook back and we can say that get data. And right now we can remove this and we can go here and we can say not catch and we can say that retriever poll, and we can say that you can send data back to GoHighLevel. So you can in this way you can receive any type of data from Zapier, from Slack, or from ClickUp, any third party tool. So that's it from this video. Hope so you will understand how to link with the GoHighLevel to Zapier and Zapier to Slack. Thank you so much for watching video. If you're looking for any GoHighLevel services, here is your service provider. Here is my website. You can contact me here, book free appointment, and get more consultation about your project, about your GoHighLevel. Here is, you can just book free appointment and you can get free 30-minute consultation about your business, and I will guide you each and everything. If you, I have affiliate link in our description box. If you buy from my affiliate link, then I will give you these all things free of cost. I can do for you this package. I can give you free of cost. I will configure all things for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.